Hey, hey. Bam! Get some nice airflow. I gotta let some of those logs catch, so I'm gonna leave this open, get some flow going. Build up some more coals. What's up, also? Got this big rat trap set back here. It has not been successful, but I'm giving it another shot. If it gets triggered again with nothing in it, then I'm gonna be trying some fancy stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna let those burn a little bit more. Whew. That might be a little tricky installing that damper, but it might be fun. Guys, I moved the fridge in here. Hopefully, all the stuff in here doesn't freeze, because our stuff just freezes. We can't even keep stuff not frozen. Got a bunch of beef trying to thaw. Freezer can stay out here and probably doesn't even have to be plugged in for about at least the next 10 days. What's up, Buck? Welcome.
What's up?
Also's been in here.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Did it get cooked?
ATX.com for tickets.
Fire.
Double Jima Nagasaki.
Real word, though.
Fighting Hawaii gangsters while I
Are those onions?
dance with street cats.
Nice.
What are you talking about right now?
All right, now these shouldn't refreeze. I hope. Oh shit. Yeah. Good night, bud. Good night, also. I was just scratching you for an hour straight. It's not that cold right now. 27. Should be a pretty chill night. What are we looking at? 56. Oh, it's 5:40 a.m. And the Wi-Fi's not working, which means I gotta get up and go run that generator. Man, as much as I just want to stay in bed, I'm gonna have to heat up that battery for hours by the stove if I don't get it charging right now. What we working with? Ha! 7? What the fuck? Oh my gosh, it's the boys. Oh my gosh. What's up, boys? Boys, it's cold. Why are you not home or something? Guys, I'm praying this power bank starts charging. Oh, this could be tragic. Oh, yeah, it's cold. What's up, chickens? Shut up! It's not daylight yet. What do you guys think? Is it gonna charge? Yes! Yeah! Oh, yeah. Honestly, usually I'd just stay up, but I'm gonna go back up in there. It's at least a bearable temperature up in here. 7's crazy. That's that's New Mexico temperatures. But guys, what's cool is when it's cold like this, it doesn't really affect me because I've already had to do this before, except it was for 5 months. I don't think winter here will be 5 months. Holy smokes! Let's see that in the fire going. Woo. What? What the fuck? Oh. It's colder than dumbass.
Dude, it's like 6 when I woke up.
It's 5 now. 5? Fire. My nice winter boots, dude, they're all messed up. They ain't looking too pretty. These ain't the best for the cold. I'm putting these by the heater. Hopefully warm them up, throw them on, and it will feel good. But yeah, this weather's definitely bringing back memories of New Mexico. A little bit cold, but it's not that windy here. It's pretty bearable actually, because it's not that high of winds. The low temps kind of killed the battery though. I'm gonna have to be waking up at like 4 for the next probably 10 days. All right, dude, give me some real ideas now. Let's go. We're gonna get it. Haven't been looking forward to this. You're a man, Will. You're a man. Oh man. Guys, so the Strat just switch shoes every hour or whatever. Oh, I gotta get my computer going for some business. Oh, nice, it's warm. But everything gets cold at night, so what are you gonna do? Out of there. I don't even actually know what my computer's at. Hopefully it's kind of charged. Let's see. Oh, it was dead. I'm not gonna lie, I have not seen Buck since this morning. Also has been sleeping since this morning. They were doing lots of barking and exploring last night from what I could hear. Oh, okay, yeah, he's just in there. What's up, Buck? Are you sleeping? What'd you guys do last night, bro? They look gashed. Funny. That's weird they chose last night to explore and stuff, dude. It was cold last night. It's warming up a little bit, though. Chickens, are you guys alive? Oh yeah. They got some nice wind blocks and all that. They huddled together in the corners and stuff. You know, they're balling. I do probably have to get them water. Definitely have to get them water. Whew. Oh yeah, that's gross too. Oh. Dude, what the heck, guys? I'll be back. I gotta get the truck going so that I can record a song. It's a little feature for DJ Lucas. I need to be able to have warmth while I record, but not have any noise, so I can run the truck and then just turn it off while I'm recording. The stove is kind of loud. The Tundra is where I keep my music stuff, and it's got the best speaker, and it's like a couch in there. It's pretty cool. And I left the keys to it in the cabin. I was gonna get it started. Got the boys up. What's up, boys? Good day to you. Get in there, fella. What the haven't started that in a bit. We'll wait till Jessie gets back and get her jumped. Also, is that your fault? Buck, was that your fault, dude? Probably my fault. This is what I've been showering with. I just use paper towels in the hot water at night after it's gotten a chance to warm up a little in here, and the stove and the water. I think Jesse's got a rag and a towel on his grocery list though. That'll be nice. Yeah, I was getting a little gross. How do I fucking jump this? Count it. But yeah, I'd use that for other things like warming up beef. So yeah, that was a little gross. I also got to use it for the chickens' water now too. Oh, they're going outside. Hey, Buck. Hey, it's a bucket. It's a bucket. Chickens. I wonder. Yeah, they can go get water. Sick. Cool. Have a good day, chickens. Oh, wait, I need water. Holy shit. Oh, I don't want to slip. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's gonna be good enough for me. I'm not too picky. What's up, boys? What's up? Could have done that better. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, she's burning. Oh, yeah! That's all right. These guys are short. What the? Yeah. Cooking. Check it out. It didn't freeze. The fridge is working way better in here with the stove. This shelf was originally designed for firewood. I was gonna stack firewood right there. Pretty cool. But, you know, I haven't built a garage yet. So I gotta keep some stuff there. But I should keep it a little more organized. Honestly, that made it feel considerably nicer in here. Everything's organized. What? Oh yeah, they're burning. I've got everything that I don't want to freeze on the shelf close to the stove. Hopefully that helps out with that stuff. All of these waters were blocks of ice, so I threw them in there and they should unfreeze by the end of the day, hopefully. Hang on, let's go. I always forget to film something. Oh yeah. That'll be nice. Successful store trip, Jesse?
Yes, it was.
Nice. Nice. All right, we've got everything organized good. We didn't need those cans in the tote, so we've got this tote reorganized, just stuff the mice can get. And like some jam. I've got the fridge organized a little bit. We're big money. Towel, 2 towels actually, and some rags for washing myself. He was going. Chickens, go home, dude. What are you guys even doing over here? Chickens look funny when they run. Oh, that's still on. 63 minutes. What are you doing? Why are you always a weirdo? We're going up to Nate's for dinner, so I'm gonna get these power banks hopefully up to 100 before we take off. What are we looking like? 59? All right. Bam. Are you guys upset there's not 2 more also? Bam. Hopefully those don't freeze either. Yeah, should be good. Oh my God. Oh, let's go. Sit. Good boy. Well, we're gonna head up to Nate's. Hopefully. These don't die. They might. Oh, shit. Get this packed tight. Get packed. Oh, yeah. Also, did that taste good, dude? You ready to go, Nate's? Well, did that taste good, dude? Are you ready to go to Nate's? Also, did you just put your left cheek on the stove? Never mind. Also, actually, we're leaving you guys. You got the stove going? Have fun. Jesse, you're ready to go to Nate's?
Oh, I'm hella ready.
Peace, boys. No, peace. We'll see you guys when we get back. Go, Buck, go home. Buck, dude. All right. All right. Chickens, you guys should go inside your house, dude. Oh, nice. They are going to the creek. Oh, nice. Boys, go home. Buck. Go home. Good boys. No, go home. Hey, you guys go home too. So guys, they actually did have somebody come down and plow this road twice over the last couple of weeks. It's pretty. Didn't expect that. Aslan, what are you up to, fam? Big dog.
Step on the gas, it starts spinning.
And all of a
it's
sudden
a
it connects.
delay before the connection.
Leaving Nate's packages over here. Haven't seen the boys yet. That means they're either really far away or they stayed home the whole time. Which would be incredible. Highly doubtful. Oh shit, they might be somewhere really far away. Got some coals, yeah. Oh, we got all that in there. That combusted. Oh, that busted so fast. Get in there, boy. Oh! Hopefully this thing's cool, my dude. Also, this thing's cool, my dude. Oh my gosh, I just heard the dogs for the first time since we've been back. Wait. Buck! Also! Let's go! That might get him. I think that got him. They should be here soon. The boys finally came back. What's up, Buck? What's up? Where did you guys even go? Where'd you guys go? Where'd you go? What's up? What's up? What's up, dude? What's up? What's up? It's kind of late. Way past my bedtime. But it's only like 9. But gotta run these generators. Get these power banks up. Guys, do you like the chest mount? Is it working out? Oh, funny. Gonna have way too much footage to edit with this thing, but what's up, Buck? What's up? Look at this, guys. I can pet Buck with both my hands so you guys can see. Look at that. Oh man, I wonder if it's gonna be more shaky or less shaky than me holding it. Also, do we gotta put a GoPro on you, famo? The people want you to wear a GoPro also. Maybe not you. Maybe you're not as fun, maybe. Ah! Oh shit, what's up, Buck? Sorry, come on. Okay. Alright guys, it's 11:30. I finally got those power banks up to 100. Good night, boys. Oh. Got that stuffed much as I can. Haven't been running it for too long, but we'll see what the temp is. And here it's 54. It'll be interesting to see if the water's frozen in the morning. The trap's set. We'll see what happens. Peace, boys. What are we looking like? Yeah, that's... Oh, I forgot to check the temp outside. Am I going out there for you guys? I checked the weather app. It's 9 degrees. It was 10 degrees about an hour ago, so I'm gonna trust it. Check that out. That has been in here. All right, guys. Good night. I'm hoping I don't have to wake up before sunrise tomorrow. I stayed up late in hopes that it would mean I don't have to wake up at 5:30 again, so I'll let you guys know. I honestly probably am trying to end the video now, but I don't think I got enough energy right now for an energy ball. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hooper sent down this energy ball. Whoop! Hope you felt that. I hope you guys all have a great day and a beautiful week. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Willie out.
Hey, I make the glizzy flip, wrap the string around the hook, wait for a tug and reel it in. Hey, I reel it in, looking out for bears, cause Willie eat the same food as him. I should probably buy what's though, but I can't find one on Craigslist and they expensive at the store. I'm in my bag looking for the silky and the axe. I'm in the river flipping rocks and stones. I'm looking for crawdads.